2017, and that's when I started like doing this music.
Okay, now Okwa Accra no Abuawa na.
Yeah, for sure.
Because all that's all.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, so tell me, what is it? And then Accra. Then I'll because Okoye na Abuawa.
At first, it was really hard because that time there is nothing like investment, like management, like Bibianco. Kumasi, so I decided to move to Accra and just focus on the music. So 2018, number film, number Kumasi.
Hey, me film no papa so
yeah.
Oh,
and I'm back Kumasi. So the back Kumasi no, and I'm busy my panam circle back, and the rest is history.
So then you now we you
I do Afro hip hop.
Yeah.
Oh, I've used Afro beat with hip hop sound.
Oh, okay, so maybe to your nyumbako, then we know exactly what you are talking about. Now it's made in common. So this is Hater.
Yeah.
This year Nyumana.
Hater was dropped last year.
Yeah. I see.
Man, I'm cool and cozy, oh, you gonna be safe, oh, until the same, I know they hear me, I'm still the same. Camouflage leaving, they already faking. I tell you I'm my brody, you gon' show me love, real love. Man, I'm always in my lane. Sorry, you never feel the same for me. You out there, you my bro. You snake up, don't even know. Oh, you cross the line. You share my shine. I know you hear me. You undermine. You was my best friend before the fame. Hit my head, man, I'm gonna say a prayer for ya. And my loyalty the same for ya. I'm pulling Kuzi head for ya. We started on some homies, now you smell my loves. I give you all the eating when you need the most. I show you all the secret that you never know. You came in and asking for goodie. I told you my nigga don't move it. You thought I was skipping, you shooting. You take all my pictures to booties. You always with the groupies. But come in home some every day, but you see the boy I'm winning. Hit my head tired. Man, I'm gonna say a prayer for ya. But my loyalty the same for ya. I'm cooling Kuzi head for ya. Hit my head tired. Man, I'm gonna say a prayer for ya. But my loyalty the same for ya. I'm cooling Kuzi head for ya. Hit my head tired. Man, I'm gonna say a prayer for ya. Malakuli Kuzi head for ya. See my loyalty the same, Hey, my head tired. Man, I'm gonna say a prayer for ya. But my loyalty the same for ya.
Great song, Charlie. I'm not know what day, but I see nothing gone here. I say American even I
go die a lot. To be honest with you, like this is not the first time. Everybody be like, "Oh, we are Ghanaian," and I was working on a song with Stoneboy. Stoneboy have to jump on the phone.
But
with me.
for Kasa when you're Ghanaian in how because you should be identified by being a Ghanaian.
Me getting that a lot. I feel like it's a big compliment. Somebody comparing me to like Drake or maybe Future or maybe.
But Ghanaian factor na enim knowing how.
It doesn't bother me at all. Because we've been here, we listen to 50 Cent, we listen to Celine Dion. When I was young, now me query Rihanna no school. So me query radio stations, number Celine Dion, Westlife. That was back in the days.
Yeah, those times I remember. And I radio sweat there.
Radio sweat there. We are school. We got to a crowd person with that.
But Kosa, you can't do it better than them. And
for real.
How about that?
I know. So I don't think that me walk Ghana no. I say who said Bruni catch you? I know be out on the phone. Hey Bruni or country. It's like magic.
I told, and then I'll come for Saturday because it's very interesting.
No. But the thing is, music is a universal language. That's Anna. Me nyaya anka interview in Kebe Pamne Free.
Oh, are they?
Do you know why? Not say enyum minyanka enkenisi oyine ni mo nyum nim crazy say. Let people wonder who the F is this? Why near Nansana? Because Otia you start asking yourself so many questions. When some fire headsets no. I wanted to listen without the voice in the studio. Na me share how it really sound. Anna Jack. And yet this is like some hip hop different level and your hip life nibi.
Okay.
But why in Ghana there the better hip life now?
Yeah, they can win.
But I'm happy say ordinary nim AD enyum nechi say banka me pa mom de minyanka onja nyum no nanka
last year song
last year I dropped this song last year.
So you are now adding the image to it.
Yeah.
And look omomoka say broni bi na no let them wonder. Then later they will start looking for the image. You say Ghana near, you are either going to get more love, knowing such a Ghana ni bi or yet this dope. So
okay, show something.
Show something, yeah. Show something fishy coffee mole.
And also last year.
That was last 2-3 years.
So and also hip hop sir.
That's Afrobeat.
Afrobeat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey.
Fire them. Cause I got a boy, she said, look, he never get girl. Make her work, I then get more paper. She see me in the morning, she go call me if I get her. Show something, show something, show something, 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 something. Show something, show something, show something, 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 something. What's that? Yaga, yaga, ya no, didn't quarter, oh yeah. You enter the club, if you want be a pet, you dey buy. Ask for the man, the other hand, they see belly and things. You dey chop for one corner, you dey do your body as if you don't get money, you'll be by force. Why you dey twist out to enjoy? You go fit to enter club with your 50 gun, and you go buy everything with your muff more. I know the mind, oh, you give me vibes, so. This day she do me. My body started itch, that be why. She said, broke never get girl. Make her work hard and get more paper. She see me in the morning, she go call me if I get her. Show something, show something, show something, 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 something. Show something, show something, 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 something. Muff, sir, you enter the club, no show. If they go now 5 o'clock, the only thing you buy be a go. Your body make mama, you know they do everything better. Everybody they work, make it blow 5 Ghana. Slow movement, girl number, she they want make you spend more now. You they talk, like say you they can't spend money for the club. Why? You can leave it out. This guy don't get money. Oh, Kutuku, shut up, go bed. Twist with someone Ghana, yeah, they come do muff.
Okay, so we're still here with Kosa.
Rapping.
And now, what's the new one? Bread.
Daily bread, yeah.
What about your Japan one?
Daily bread is not about bread. It's not about the real bread. It's about the money. Yeah. So let me say something about this record.
Okay.
Real quick. Daily bread.
Chino.
Okay. Daily bread. Me share send here. Daily bread, yeah. Me share me home. Me eba penny. Na me mama enkwala for ono nko a single mother. Me papa no tiase, but me hu me papa da. Na me hu no like me hu no one spec. I be twem no. 87.9. Me mama ne share ye nyina. Mama we coaster oye bodwa oye we bibia bi juma bi am mama chemu bi. E friend fire wato nso. Ubo fire din wato nso obi anim say.
Neze zekro tie o.
Wawu.
Oh. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, so me sure send me bread to get like sika for us to like survive, no. So the inspiration came from that story. So that's the daily bread. Daily bread is like a gospel. It's like a street gospel for everybody who's hustling on the streets. Let's go.
And course, Agolo. Unka said, but who's also suitia.
Them say we don't know more couple of us. Charlie, minimum the entire one hit so. And you now, oh boy, also first and second, also 2022.
Second one,
2019. Wow.
Remix with Kofi Mole.
Wow, from that time busy now. Also, sounds I didn't know blow. Minimum say now only management and I say
I wasn't having management at that time because the focus was just like the Afrobeat market. I was just focusing on the highlights and the Afrobeat, and I feel like I was on the queue. I said Hona Choki, and that wasn't me. So one day my brother was like, "Kosa, Charlie, we shit. I don't know your trap, hip hop. I don't now go back to your hip hop sound." Big shout outs to him. That's him over there. And he changed my life forever. Wow. He was like, "Bro, go back to your old style." So we switch it, I start dropping like records on social media, Instagram. Then boom, labels start contacting me from nowhere. And the labels are not Ghanaians labels, bro. It was like from LA, from UK, from Chicago. Like at a point in time, I had like 4 or 5 labels chasing me.
What do you mean a deal?
Yeah, I'm already signed to a record label, Universal Records, 610 Music.
Oh, okay.
Wow. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I've been out a couple times. Yeah.
I see.
Until they now busan on the Amazon one way on Obama because I dare know a human hour and baby or their fan, any baby I want any label and one. What I say? Say, what you form an atom coin straight. But me then I mean, who say, say, if you are more focused on the Ghanaian, I also do two still our Ghanaian or the two Ghana pepper because you know, what's strong way or you cry have them or they can't or catch you now a better. Or the brofonos room a better what the fry yes, very good. And I know that from now till next year, no bit my hit a big power Ghana.
Amen.
Serious.
With the record label is also signed on, they are marketing for a certain
yes,
yes.
But I took me said this time even Universal Records are okay. Say if you see tree make a crowd more, it me boy because I'm up originality no baby free band.
Yeah.
What's the mention?
Yeah, sure.
The street anthem you just did.
Yeah.
This is the
Daily Bread. This recent one.
Maybe you can sleep on any other song, but let this hit the streets.
Sure.
Let this hit the street.
Okay.
Like you rightly said, people feel that story.
Yeah, people are feeling it. People have feeling like
soup, amount for bread to feed people they don't even have allegiance to. So it's an anthem, everybody.
Okay, so later on tonight, Matisse will perform.
Basement.
Yeah. Tell us about it. Then I go to the basement.
Everybody shut the whole place down.
Okay. Tonight.
This is my first time like performing back like since when I left. Everybody pull up.
Basement.
Let's get it.
And then you All right. So for our socials,
socials near Real Corsa.
Real Corsa.
Yeah, KORSH. Type in Real Corsa. And if you want to stream our song, just type in Corsa, Daily Bread, Hater, out right now. Go stream it.
Make it. Let's say if you want to stream us, tell them to stream
y'all go stream our record.
Not if.
Apart from saying you see two no, it didn't have fun never born.
Corsa, yeah, perfect.
Very good.
I really appreciate it.
Corsa Dina.
Yeah, me and Dina.
The same name now.
Yeah.
Good. Charlie,
okay, so shouts to MC Stana. MC Stana.
Tonight we shout it
out. I think that it's a big show happening tonight at Basement. All right, so thank you very much for passing
through. I really
through.
Appreciate you, bro.
That was it. So bye. My main quick messages now for intimate to also. OTA and ages. Almost our next up, but we'll be talking about Kwame Eugene issues, na area to also with OT and ages. The chancellor from Domisburg City say, Tony, I'm doing the listening. Keep up the good work. I agree with Ambuli 100%, and I think musicians of today should rethink of making good music that can be classified as timeless. For Samini, that is his own opinion, and we have to respect that. Shouts to my wife Nana J Cordia, Nana J Cordia. Okay, thank you very much, Ike. Long time I met you. I hope say bibia eye boko. Uye teacher ni na obo homo de pa. Meda say Ike from Domisburg City. Thank you very much. Yento also with other messages. Amodiaba. We say friend Isaac Woolley. Or say hi Tony. I'm watching you live from Sampa. Keep up the good work. Asari Georgie or Simples. I'm enjoying your shot at Great Kabura. So Mr. Sari Construction. Fantastic program. Your program is very educative. Entertainment. Papa Pam PDD. God bless you all. Lawrence Inkegbe said, tell Kwame Eugene to keep quiet. He has already collected his money. So no comment. Thanks to Lawrence Inkegbe. aka say love Atunsu Monaco. Yeah, that was CP say also they will message by Nana Kwame say I'm listening from Aduato. He's dope, and I think he sang like MT. Okay. To be say Otonyum to say MT. All right, so that is about it. Yanto aswe na yenhwe Kwame Eugene asema oka ne obi chiro nyuma obi a or failing to acknowledge that person. Ekoso ewo Ghana ha, but what do you think is the reason to musicians in be yes and my bread atro nyuma even though say waji misika there. Can I go logo?
Yeah.
I didn't know more acknowledge you more and I say any by force.
Minim say low be your horse there. Last time so you friend na ye Rexoma ho na no kan ho asem in a way. But you Kwame Eugene asem o kan ya say do say we to ameka de enum ene be e wo ho no nyanye. Me I feel say e bia nipa no ne a relationship ani nipa ne wo. E na me na o kan say obi ho krampo manager ne betimi age akwaje nwom naba artist ne nim de o tro nwom no. Inti why mum na obehode no I say Black Sherry bi ya okoye ya omo ka say wa anye video for it omo ye na den show crampo omo ka say omo so we show you I think France say be omo see you ni yes so ebi kura na onya